Hey guys, this is my first voiced video. And if it's weird to you guys, it's also weird to me too, because this is my first time doing it. But I want to come out my shell and address the eliminations that happened in episode 5 and 6. First, I want to address Nichelle's elimination because her elimination was executed so badly and it made no sense. When MK needed paper to cheat, Julia claimed that she didn't have any paper.
I got a marker, but no paper!
But when it's time for Nichelle to be eliminated, what do we see on her bed? Paper. Did Ripper shade out on that paper for Julia? And you know what really made me mad? When Julia told the team that she wrote that big fake contract before the challenge. How much time did she have to write that contract?
She's gonna pay for that!
Campers to the dock of shame, it's challenge time!
Even though Julia carries, you're telling me this wannabe influencer wrote that big fat contract in 7 seconds? At the end of the day, this elimination was very sad because it looks like the writer were building a lot of character development for Nichelle, especially episode 1, just to make her early elimination again. Now let's talk about Bowie's elimination, and I have a lot to say. This elimination literally makes no sense because Chris already exposed MK for the cheater she is, so the elimination for this episode should have been obvious. Before the elimination ceremony, Julia makes a confessional that she wants Bowie to be gone, but in order for her to get rid of Bowie, she needs to rack a lot of votes. And my question is, how did she rack up a ton of votes for Bowie? We already know that 5 of the remaining players on the rat bases aren't going to trust Julia, especially Damien, Axel, and Priya.
What? I knew it! I knew it! I didn't know it, but I knew it!
There are 2 things in this world I cannot stand. Cheaters and double dutch.
MK cheated. If the bear doesn't maul her, I will.
We can all assume that Caleb also voted for MK because Priya did it too. So right now that's 4 votes targeted to MK. Bowie, Rain, and Raj would definitely vote for MK too. So now MK has 7 votes on her. So the only 2 people who Julia could have really convinced was Ripper and Z. But even then, it'll be a 4-7 vote. And we all know that Ripper would team up with Julia and MK because he literally did it episode 5. And I doubt that Axel will convince Ripper to vote with her to vote out MK because just look at this scene.
Axel and I need different parts.
But then we find out why MK was safe. And the way how Julia eliminated Bowie in the show makes no sense because why wouldn't still trust Julia? And Bowie didn't even do anything wrong.
I told the rat faces it was Bowie's idea to cheat with the intern costume.
I can't feel my face.
And then Julia and MK friends want to get mad when other people say that Julia and MK had plot armor. This was 100% plot armor. Bowie in the show's elimination makes no sense. These 2 should have been out in episode 5 and episode 6. You cannot convince me or change my mind by saying MK should have been safe in this episode. MK? She didn't even do the challenges for real. She cheated. Like, I know her team needed it because they're floss, but like, come on, man. Why King Bowie? I'm just really mad and really sad right now because Bowie and Nichelle are eliminated. But if you guys like this video, comment down below if you want me to do more. And comment down below if you also want me to react to the eliminations to episode 7 and 8.